Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to wash a Honda Civic engine. First, gather your essential supplies like an automotive degreaser, a few different brushes, and a low-pressure water sprayer. It is crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you start. For safety, disconnect the negative battery terminal and carefully cover any sensitive electrical parts with plastic bags. This preparation takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Now, let's get to cleaning. Liberally apply your chosen automotive degreaser across the entire engine bay, allowing it to sit for about 5 minutes. Use your brushes to gently scrub away any stubborn dirt and grime from all surfaces. Once clean, rinse the engine bay thoroughly using a low-pressure water spray. Remember, always avoid spraying high-pressure water directly onto any electrical components. After rinsing, it is time to dry the engine bay. You can use compressed air to blow out water from crevices or a clean microfiber towel for wiping surfaces. Let the engine air dry completely for at least 1 hour, ensuring no moisture remains. For a finishing touch, apply a non-silicone dressing to plastic and rubber components. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal once everything is thoroughly dry. Before we conclude, here are some vital safety reminders. Always ensure you are working in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling any chemical fumes. Protect yourself by wearing appropriate gloves and safety eyewear throughout the process. Never use harsh household chemicals or abrasive cleaners, as these can damage engine components. For any specific concerns, always consult your Honda Civic owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.